I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the
What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aki Vlogs, and in today's video it's going to be a complete POV. It could be a little boring. I can't shoot with too many angles because this is the first piece of sunlight I'm getting. Otherwise it's almost 24/7 raining. So in today's video I'm going to review a product that is a lot used on Duke 200s, 250s and 390, and it is the plug and play highway indicator or hazard. So the product that I'm using is going to be coming from Autofy. Wings to your right. I'm going to become flying beast after this, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to make you understand that this hazard is nothing but, like you see this boring left signal or right signal, it's going to convert these from single left and rights to single left and right, as well as hazards that come in the car that blink, all four hazards together. So let's not waste any time and quickly open up this. Wait, I always carry a knife. Okay, it's right over here. Let's open up this nice package. Autofy is almost all packages come up in the same size, guys. I've bought a couple of products from them, and this product falls somewhere around 1000 rupees on Amazon. It's a pretty nice product. Let me show you how it goes. So this you would need as your warranty, I guess, so make sure you guys don't throw it. And here is the product that we want. Nice. The product quality also is pretty nice. It's pretty light and it's pretty solid. My most favorite part about this product is that you don't have to cut any wires to do the hazard, or you don't have to add any switches. Like for example, look at this. This is my charger. One button, switch on, switch off. So there's no hassle and worries about your batteries. And also I didn't cut any wires or add any wires. I took a direct connection, and luckily I could put it directly under this board. So that's how it gets its power and its connection. But I wasn't finding anything for this, because even a local mechanic, electrician for motorcyclists, he told that you have to cut it somewhere from here, and then it doesn't happen. Sometimes you have to add a switch, you have to weld a hole here and stuff like that. So I didn't want to do any of that. I was looking for a product and I came across this puppy. So the installation procedure for all 200s, 390s and 250s would be the same. We'll have to go under the seat over here, and yep, we take it out. You will find your kit over here, you will find another medical kit over here, and you will find this puppy right over here. So this is a male and female connection, so all you have to do is remove the male part from this and then put this plug and play. That's all, guys. But be very careful, there are a lot of important wires that go through over here, and there is a lock that you have to click like this and take out gently. और ये जो piece आप देख रहे हो ना, इसको बिल्कुल भी नहीं फेंकना है. Without this the bike won't even start. Let me show you. So this piece is in my hand and down. See, it won't start. So this part is very important. In case your plug and play gets spoiled, you will have to put this back. So this part is super important, so you have to not only keep it safe, I suggest you to always take it with you. So basically इसमें डाल दो. In case your bike doesn't start ever, the first thing you have to do is remove this and try to put this back. Well, that's mostly not gonna happen, but anyways, आप तो सावधान रहो. My personal favorite part about this product is that it's made in India. It's got 6 months warranty, water resistant, short circuit proof, and it's got 40 different patents, guys. So let's go ahead and install it. Like you guys can see where exactly this lock clip is there. There is a bridge over here also, so that's exactly where it's supposed to sit. Gently let's push it in. That's about it. Cover it up slowly, and you guys are ready to rock and roll. So all you have to do next is start your bike. You see your indicator, right? Usually you put left like this, right like this. Now all you have to do to activate the blink indicators or the hazard is left, right, center.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause
Of course, with all the good parts about this product, it's light, cheap, good quality. It's also cost friendly. Although I would say $1000 is a little on the upside. 40 different patents can't change karega yaar. So you could have reduced it and simply made it 4 or 5 patents and reduced the price. Anyways, one thing I don't like much about this product is that to change the pattern every time you have to come here and press here to change pattern. Like for example, See, now it's going on like this, 2 2 2 2. Now I'll press it in 3 2 1. Press. See, it's changing. I also think that when we are using these products, we should abide by the law. Like, I'm pretty sure all these are not really suitable, or they are not in the law, so we shouldn't cause problems to people. This definitely pricks your eye, so let me select a easier one. And I generally wanted this only because I travel late nights and I stop in places where there are no highway lights, so I want people who are coming from the back to know that there is a bike. Like, just this one red light wouldn't be enough. So this is the purpose of this product, and I'm gonna make good use of it. Okay, yes, I found it. So this is all I want in this product. This one pattern is more than sufficient for me, and I suggest you guys to do that same. Agar itna bhi bore ho gaya, you guys can use it. And guys, please, while you're just riding on the road time pass ke liye, because you have invested 1000 rupees in this, bilkul nako use nako karo. You don't have to do it at all. This is the perfect thing. To activate it, you have to do left, right, down quickly. Otherwise, generally guys, you'll take a right, so you'll take a right like this, right, it'll only take right, then you'll go down, and then you'll take a left. So that time you'll activate this, so that time the other one won't work. So perfect, good, nice product. I really like it, but please make good use of it. All right, Hazard, welcome to the family, and I'll be closing the video right over here, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.